Close.
It's right there. Whoa, no,
No! You stupid! I'm stopping the recording.
Hello, my name is Alex. This is the second episode on my channel. And I'm showing you guys the before video of this, like, room behind this chalkboard. Ignore this. Not sponsored. I don't have enough views to be sponsored. But behind this is a room that doesn't have a floor, it's just insulation, and there's birds living there. And yeah, I'm gonna take this flashlight, and since they're birds, and it's actually, what time is it? It is 10 p.m. so it's dark and the birds are probably in there already. I'm getting a flashlight to ward them off. Okay. So, I already unscrewed it, so you didn't have to watch me unscrew this. Let's turn this on, hold this. And hopefully they don't fly into the room.
Ooh.
I already put these big boards down so I could walk. And
You can wait. Go over there.
the birds live over there. Are there the birds in here?
You can hear the babies.
Oh, there's one right there. Can you see it on the video? It's right there. That's kind of scary.
Want to go get
Even
my
though
BB
it's just
gun?
a little bird. It's flying this way. What's it doing?
Close.
It's right there. Whoa,
No! You stupid! I'm stopping the recording.
Okay, so we had some video difficulties. Adam turned off the camera. And where's the bird? Oh, there it is.
Oh, you get out of there.
It's oh, the camera's off focus. Oh, crap. Adam's throwing sticks at it. Yeah, the room's kind of a mess. Dude, this camera's so out of focus. Go get your BB gun. It's right there. Oh, crap. Told you there are birds. Jeez. Just... Now this is a nature film on how birds react when in someone's bedroom. It's in Austin's bed. Hopefully it doesn't poop. Oh, that's better. Oh no. Dude, I'm shaking. I hate birds. Let's see, when does Adam get here? What are you doing? Don't you dare poop.
Stupid bird.
Adam's got his BB gun.
And a stick. Get out of there. Okay, you know I'm putting down.
Birds were harmed in this video. Sorry. Oh, he just hit it. Where is it? Don't you dare poop on my books. Yes, I read. Who cares?
Oh,
Whoa,
no,
crap!
No.
It's in Ryan's sheets or blanket. Whoa!
Yes, yes.
Oh, it peed on me. Ew.
It can't fly.
I think you heard it. Oh! Shit.
No.
Adam, get the BB gun and just kill it.
Trying not to shoot on water.
For anybody who wears it, I don't care if it hits the wall. Where is
I
it?
do.
Is it inside Austin's bunk bed again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, thank you. Did I kill it?
No, it's still looking around. Hey, dude, stop shooting so I can pass. Let me get to somewhere where I won't be attacked. I don't have anything. That reflected and hit me.
It can't be right there.
Yeah, because that's on Austin's church shirt.
And yes, thank you for not going next to a wall.
Don't care if you hit my old camera or the weights.
Wait.
Did you just kill it?
Yep.
It's dead. Oh, that's... Sorry, all you nature-loving viewers. Yeah, it's dead. Well, since we're humans and it was in our way, so yeah. Dude, that peed all over me. I would show you on camera, but I can't even see it. I just feel it.
Where do you want me to put it? Back?
It'll be buried in the hole inside the room under insulation.
I shot its head.
Nice. I would have tried killing it myself, but then I wouldn't have been able to record.
Like, I don't see where it is.
Okay.
How would you explain it like?
Sorry. Yeah, there's some bird under the insulation that died by itself. It's right there, actually.
Where?
Sure. See, that's been dead for a while. But so yeah, this isn't the first bird that's died in this room. I put those planks there a while ago before, during the winter, when birds weren't living in here. And yeah, it's not there to stay. Those are just so I could walk around and do stuff. Yeah, that's... Oh, let me zoom out.
There,
So-
it has a grave.
Give me the thing. So, where'd you bury it? Right there? So, that bird's buried right there now. And so, this room isn't that tall, but it's gonna be fun to mess around with. I'm gonna turn that back there. I'm gonna put a board in there, and there are blankets all over my room that are just extra. In fact, they're just in bags under my bed, right? Excuse the mess. I have a before video of my room too, but I haven't posted it. And yeah, those blankets, and then there's some more in that behind that curtain. There's probably more somewhere. But yeah, put a board for the floor there, and then definitely do the ceiling and cover the hole that the birds have been coming through, and filling it with blankets. Yeah, the holes. It's pluralized.
Is that a nest
And then
on the way back?
that's not a nest anymore. That's an old nest. Okay, and then I'm gonna get on this. There's no more birds, is there? Wow, as you push me. But yeah, there's that thing in the corner is the bricks from a chimney. There's another hole, I think. Was it? No, it's not there. It's in one of these areas. It's one of these areas up top. But yeah, we're gonna put a floor in here. Maybe either break out this wall or put some boards over this wall. Here's some boards here. That would be perfect for that. There's electrical there for a outlet by my bed, so that piece will definitely stay there. And then on this side there's another electrical outlet, which is right there where the bird died. And actually I think I put a board right there under all the stuffing.
Alex, look.
Ew, there's blood. Gross. But yeah, And then same on this side. Oh, yeah, Adam, look. That's the little area that leads to that just around the wall, because our room is basically just inside of another room. And yeah, it just goes down, so it's not. I'm literally crouching right now. And yeah, here's a better view of that area. Oh, there's another dead bird.
What?
In the area. This is it. Those cracks on the side there, that's where they've been getting in. That's actually the top of our balcony, which I did my first recording on, so yeah.
Alex, those babies are so gonna die.
I hear the babies over there.
Well, I know where they are.
Oh, there's another dead bird.
I can kill them later.
Yeah, we didn't kill all these birds. That bird that's buried is the only bird we've killed.
Why is there so much trash?
But they're starlings, so that's fine. The trash is them tearing out the insulation on the wall. That used to be...
What
sorry.
did this? What was that?
That used to be a tarp they had behind the wall and the chalkboard, but I decided to rip away so we could actually get in without being ambushed by the birds. And yeah, those babies are making lots of noise.
I'm not killing them.
They're probably around that corner.
No, I know where they are. They're right there.
Right
Oh, wait,
here.
Where's my knife?
You're not killing them with a knife.
No, I know. Where's my other two knives?
Actually, I don't think we should kill them.
What?
Yeah, dude, they're behind the corner. Around the corner in there. But yeah, I hear these birds all the time, because my bed is literally just on the other side of this wall. I heard some... Oh, that was just me. One of these boards are screwed in just to stay in place, but yeah. This is going to be a fun project. I'll keep it updated. So yeah. Hope this video was funny, even though the bird died, you know. But I hope you please subscribe. Tell your friends, or let me face this. Again, I say, please subscribe, leave a like, tell your friends. Yeah, and see ya.